Hey guys, this is T, and I'm coming in to show you my time at Ocean Cay, Bahamas with MSC Cruise Line. And there was so much beauty that still looks the same from when I came last year, but there was definitely some changes that I'm going to talk about briefly in this video. But I mostly will be showing the beauty of Ocean Cay, the food at the beach, and basically just vlogging my time walking the beach, enjoying the food and the waves, and taking in my experience. But don't forget to comment, like, be sure to stay to the end, and I'm going to give you a little sample of the Back to the Groove show on the MSC Grandiosa. Stay tuned. This is Ocean Cay at almost 7 a.m. Look at them palm trees. There's our little lighthouse. And it is not only a little chilly, it is windy. This is December. I'm going to be enjoying Ocean Cay from the balcony. Wow. Oh, come on. You want to enjoy that blue water. It's peaceful though. I don't know why it's stormy weather. It's peaceful. Let's see, it's so windy. This is December, and it's no joke. Okay, at 7 a.m. with all this wind, will it be better? So we can go out and enjoy the beauty of the lighthouse. Look at that. I still will go out in the rain, go for a walk. But I don't know, the wind makes me more nervous than the rain. Does that make it cold? It's not cold, it's perfect, and it's windy. I think it's gonna clear up. Somebody like cheese. Look at that. This is a big Lido deck, ain't it? Ain't nobody up here. It's about 10 o'clock. Ocean Cay. Wow, it's not as crowded at all. Ain't no sun over here. This little girl is so funny, dancing as we walk to Ocean Cay. Go ahead, Diary. I got you dancing. You gotta look at mommy. You gonna look at me or no? This is us heading over to Seakers, but we may end up at the lagoon for a little bit, because if you look close, there's some loungers way over there. It seemed like they took all the loungers out of Seakers. I mean, yes, I had to come over here and just sit in a little chair for a little bit.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that.
So they got all these loungers, and I'm hearing they charging $45 for a lounge. I'm guessing with an umbrella. That's lame. I don't know if this is something you could just go and sit. There's another beach. I don't think we ever came to this beach. This is probably the lagoon. You want to go check out the lagoon a little bit? Let's see what these signs say. Oh, this is South Beach. It's not far. I was wondering, trying to go to the different beaches. So we got South Beach. I want to get to Bimini. And I think there's another one, but why it look like they blocking off stuff? We never been to this one, Diary. Maybe we could go hang out over here. Charge for these? That's why ain't nobody using them. You notice there's a lot of people laying around. That's lame to charge people for. I know I keep saying that, but all right, we're gonna turn this off and come back around. But it's the lagoon. Wow, it's pretty. It's perfect for little kids. Well, here I am just walking along this beautiful beach and noticing a big difference from a year ago when I came here. And it just seemed like every lounge was almost empty. That's why I think they're charging for them. So just getting myself in my happy place with my little mini-me. Hi, you want some more? It's a beautiful day. You want to go under a palm tree with me? I want to find a palm tree and just hang out today before I go back in the water. Oh, you look so silly with that hat on. You're going to give me my hat back. You okay? You want the rest of that chocolate? You heard what? It's a beautiful shady day. Yep. Get into the restroom. We're at the end of South Beach. So I'm hoping the time is very close. I see people getting off that trolley. I'm trying to figure out where the bus stop is. All right, my dear, come on. Let's see if we can leave in this beautiful lagoon. This one right here, of course, she got a little body.
I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally come back, okay, your chance will be ruthless.
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can't you get enough of me? I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can't you get enough of me? Sometimes see a better time, my God. It's me you're looking for. I can see your lies. I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted. My arms are open wide. Cause you know just what I say. And you know just what to do. I wanna tell you so much. I love you. Don't see the sunlight in your hair. Tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I see you pass outside my door. Oh, I just got to let you know.